Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a movie type poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the Type tool and type your text. I am using Serpentine bold font for this effect. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Right-click on its layer and convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Perspective. And follow me. Create layer via copy of or press Ctrl+J. Select the bottom layer. Go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. Follow my Path Blur settings. And hit Enter. Press Ctrl+J 3 times to make 3 more copies of it. Hold the Shift button to select all. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Select the top layer, right-click on it, and open the blending options. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Now select the bottom layer and create a solid color adjustment layer. Change its color to red. And blending mode to multiply. Select the Type tool and type the other text. Follow my text settings. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Then I have these social media icons. Drag and place them here. Select the poster design text layer. Create a blank layer on top of it. Set the light gray color. Right-click on it, and choose Clipping Mask. Select the brush tool, use these settings for the brush, and apply it. Finally, it's time to add texture to it. Create a solid color adjustment layer of light gray color. Convert it to a smart object. Go to the Filter menu and Filter Gallery. Use the grain texture with these settings. And change its blend mode to Color Burn. Bring down its opacity a bit. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.